So children, today we have to start question number 2 of exercise 11.3. The question is we have to find the area of the following circles where the radii are given. So this is the first one where the radius is 14 mm, that is millimeters, and in bracket it's also written take the value of pi as 22 by 7. Yes? Yeah, yes. So let's start. We have to find the area. So we all know area of the circle. Yesterday only we discussed area of circle. We divided the circle into different triangles and then we placed the triangles inverted, one straight and one opposite of it. Okay, we rotated the triangles and we made a rectangle, right? And that's how we found the area of the circle, that is length into breadth, where the length was actually half of the circumference, because half circumference was on the top and half circumference was on at the bottom. So half circumference into radius, which gave us the area of the circle as pi r square. Now here, what is pi? 22 by 7. What is r? 14 mm. That is 14 into 14. Okay, 7 and 14 will get cancelled. 7 2s are 14. Now 22 into 2 gives us 44. We multiply 44 and 14 in the graph. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17 and 44. 6 and 11 and this is 6. So the answer is 616 millimeters square. Okay, so this completes the first part. We go to the second part now. Now here the diameter is given to be large. I have to write this also. Diameter is equal to 49 meters. So we all know that the area of the circle is given by pi r square, but we don't know the value of radius here, but we can find out the value of radius. How? Because we know that there is a relationship between radius and diameter. What is it? Diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. Okay, correct? So here in place of diameter we write 49, which is equal to 2 into r. Now this 2 shifts this side, so 49 by 2 gives us r, that is radius. Okay, so the radius is 49 by 2 meters. Now we find the area of the circle, that is pi r square. So area is equal to pi r square, which is 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Very big number will be coming here. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49. We cancel 1 7 and 49. Okay, we reduce it, and 2 ones are 2 11s are. Now 11 sevens are gives us 77. We multiply 77 and 49. 7 nines are 63. 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And same will come. So 1, 3 comes down, and 6 are 12. 1, we put a decimal, any number of zeros, bring one zero down, and 5s are 10. Now since this 0 has come down, before the 0 is what? A decimal. That decimal goes to the quotient. Okay, so the answer becomes 1886.5. Okay, so meter square. So this completes your B part. Now we will do the C part. C part, where the radius is 5. Is it centimeters? Yes. So the area of circle is given by pi r square, where pi is 22 by 7 and 5 into 5. Nothing will get cancelled. 5 5s becomes 25. 25 we multiply by 2. This will be 50 and this will also be 50. So it's 550. So 550 by 7. Either this becomes your answer, or if you want you can divide. Okay, further I will bring out the answer. Centimeter square. I am dividing it here. You can see it's coming. 550 divided by 7. 7 sevens gives us 49. 60. 0 comes down. It becomes 60. 7 8s are 56. Minus 4 comes down. 4 is left. Nothing is there. So we put decimal and bring down the zeros. So this will be 5s are 35, then 50, and it will go so on. Okay, so or 78.5 and so on centimeters square. Okay, so either this can be your answer or this can be your answer. So this completes the C part. Now we do the next question. That is question number 3. So just give me 10 seconds, children. Now we start with question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. So circumference is given. What is the formula for the circumference of the circle? The formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 154 meters. So from this equation we will find out the value of r, that is the radius, and then we will find out the area, because area is also asked. Area is given by pi r square. Just now we did. Yes. So let's start. By the way, yesterday we discussed the circumference also. Circumference is actually the perimeter of the circle, that is the total length of the boundary, where we discussed that if we take a string, because we cannot measure the curved lines using a ruler, correct? So we took a string. If we take a string and we find out how much length it's there with the help of the string, and if we take out the ratio of circumference and diameter, that is C by D, every time we will get that the circumference, the ratio comes to 3.14 or 22 by 7 approximately. Okay, so that value is given by pi. So actually the ratio of circumference and diameter, that is C by D, is equal to pi, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So C by D is equal to pi. So C is equal to, D shifts this side, so C is equal to pi D. And if we put the value of D, where we know the relationship between D and R, that is diameter and radius, so pi D, where D is also equal to 2R. So we can also write C is equal to pi D, or C is equal to 2 pi R. In place of D, we can put R, that is 2R, because diameter is twice of radius. Okay. So we discussed about the circumference, and this was a small revision about it. Now we go ahead and we solve question number 3. So what is given? We will write that. What is given in the question? If the circumference of the circular sheet. So the circumference is given. We are going to write that. Circumference of the circular sheet, which is equal to 154 meters. 154 meters. Okay. That means that is 2 pi r is equal to 154 meters. Now we put the value of pi here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 154 meters. Okay. Now we shift this 2 to the RHS. It's in multiplication. It becomes division. Now we shift this 7 to the RHS. It's in division. It becomes multiplication. Now we shift this 22 to the RHS. It's in multiplication. It becomes division. Now children, if you want, you can do all these 3 steps in one step together. From here, directly if you want, you can write this also. Or if you get confused, you can go step by step. No problem. Only the thing will be, your question will be a little bit bigger, but that doesn't make any difference. Okay. Then now from here we can solve. Both will go by 11. Okay. Both will go by 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11. 11 4s are 44. Okay. Then 2 and 14 can be divided. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. Now here what is left? 7 into 7, and here only 2 is left. 2 1s are 2. So we write that. That is 7 7s are 49 by 2. Now we divide 49 and 2. 2 2s are 4. 9 comes down. 4s are 8. everything is there. Put a decimal, put any number of zeros, bring the next zero down. Now before the zero, what is it? There's a decimal. That decimal goes up. 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 24.5 meters. This is the radius. We have done just half part of the question. We have just found the radius. Now we have to find the area. So we go ahead writing the area of the circle. Where is that stuff? Children, if you want, you can take this also 49/2 also as your radius. Okay, because this will help you cut the numbers. So 2 and 22 gets cancelled. 7 and 49 gets cancelled. Now what is left over, that we write this 11 sevens are 77. 77 into 49. I think we have done such question before also, just now, today only. So because same type of numbers are there. 7 9s are 63, 3 and 6, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So it's 343 and 343 once again, because the second number is also 7. So 3, 7, 7, 3 divided by 2. We put a decimal and bring 1 0. This decimal, since this 0 is coming down, decimal goes up and 5s are, gives us 10. So the answer is 1836.5. This is what meter square. So this completes question number 3. Now we will start with question number 4. So now we are starting with question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter. It's working now? Yeah. Fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters. Find the length of rope he needs to purchase. So gardener is wanting to fence his circular garden. Okay. Fencing means putting boundary. Where do we put boundary? On the boundary. Okay. That means he is wanting to do it here. So for a circle, we have studied finding out the area, finding out the circumference. So here what are we going to do? Since it's related to boundary, that means we have to find the circumference to find out the length of the rope required. And also he is making 2 rounds. one rope, circumference, one circumference, and two rounds, one round, circumference, two rounds, circumference multiplied by 2. Acha, this is not over. Something more he is asking. Also, find out the cost of the rope. So we have to find out the cost of the rope also. If 1 meter is equal to rupees 4. So what will be the cost of the total length of the rope? So 1 is given, total is asked, we will multiply. Okay. So first we will find out the circumference, then we multiplied by 2, and then we multiplied by rupees 4. Okay. To find out the cost of the rope, the length of the rope. So let's start. First, what is given? Where is the question? Diameter is given. Diameter of the garden. How much is given? 21 meters. Now we have to find the length of rope for 1 round. Length of rope required fence the garden for 1 round, which is equal to circumference of the circle. And circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. But here r is not given. But we know that the circumference of the circle is also given by pi d. Okay. So we write pi d, that is pi into diameter. So this is for the 1 round, but we don't want to know for the 1 round. We want to know for 2 rounds. So now what we write? We write length of the rope required for 2 rounds. Let's start. That is circumference into 2. That is pi d into 2. So pi is how much? 22 by 7 into d is how much? 21 into 2. So 7 ones are 7, 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6. 6 into 22. And go to the other side. 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 13. So it's 132 centimeters. This is the total length of rope which the gardener will buy. But now we have to find out the cost also. So we write cost of 1 meter rope, then cost of 132 meters of rope. So let's write. Rupees 4. 132 meters. 4 into 132. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, that's 1 5. So the answer is rupees 528. Okay. So this completes question number 4. Rest we will continue tomorrow, children.